Aerobic exercise demonstration and benefits. Warm up and stretching. To prepare for the aerobic exercise, I started with a warm up by marching in place to loosen up the muscles and increase blood flow. This warm up not only prepared my body physically by improving flexibility, but also mentally by helping me focus on the routine ahead. Jumping jacks benefit improves cardiovascular endurance, strengthens the whole body, and burns calories. Jumping jacks are a great full body exercise that improves your heart health, strengthens your muscles, and boosts your stamina. Cool down marching benefits helps lower your heart rate gradually after intense exercise and prevent dizziness. Butt kicks benefit strengthens the hamstring, boosts lower body flexibility, and enhance leg muscle endurance. Butt kicks targets the hamstrings, improving flexibility and strength while keeping your heart rate up. High knee pumps benefit strengthen the core legs and cardiovascular system. It also enhances coordinations and balance. Arm circles benefit strengthen shoulder muscles, increases arm flexibility, and enhance blood circulation. Arm circles are great for building shoulder strength and improving flexibility in your upper body. Side to side hoops benefit improves core strength, hip mobility, and coordination. Side to side hoops target your core and hips, making them more flexible and strong. Lastly, alternating arm rises and lowers, along with upper arm movements at the hips, help improve shoulder mobility, strengthen the arms, and engage the core and hips for better flexibility and coordination. Here's some benefits of aerobics. Number one, improves cardiovascular health. Number two, burns calories and support weight loss. Number three, boosts mood and mental health. Number four, enhances flexibility and coordinations. Number five, strengthens muscles, and so on. Aerobics not only helps improve physical health but also contributes significantly to mental and emotional well-being. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you understand the steps and benefit of aerobics exercise. Let's stay active and healthy. Thank you.